For some reason, roasting a chicken feels like a big ordeal and maybe something I can only do on a special occasion. I don't know, maybe I'm the only one that thinks that, but roasting a chicken is so easy, super delicious, and very low maintenance. Once you get it going, you know, it just kind of roasts until dinner time. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you a great fall roasted chicken with vegetables. This is all just kind of a one pan meal and takes less than an hour. For this, my favorite thing to use is just a 12-inch cast iron skillet or pan. This one, really great, I'll link to it in the post, but everything is going to get cooked right in here. And so we're gonna start by heating up this pan, medium heat, adding a little bit of olive oil into it. So for our vegetables, we have just some potatoes, some Brussels sprouts. I'm going to cut these in half and get them ready to go in the pan. We're gonna cook them in there for just a little bit first, and then the chicken will sit right on top to roast. So let's get to this. A lot of these leaves that come off, they're still really great. You can save these. I like chopping them up, put them into a bag, chop them up for stir fries, or toss them into soups, things like that. Give those a little toss. All right, toss that around again. Then we have our spices. So salt, we'll give a few good pinches of that, probably 3 decent pinches. Pepper, this is gonna be probably 1.5 teaspoons. We have olive oil in the pan, but I am just going to add just a quick little drizzle there. Toss. Smells so good. Now this will go right in the pan. We'll start cooking this while we prep our chicken. Now with that on, I'm just going to real quick prep the chicken. We'll add some aromatics inside of the cavity very loosely so that it doesn't take too long to cook. You want air to be able to get inside of the chicken cavity. And then we'll tie up the legs and get it roasting. Now that this has been all wrapped up, ready to go, I'm gonna put just a little olive oil on the top and then season it, salt, pepper, garlic powder, allspice. That's it. Chicken's ready to go in the oven. I have a chicken hand and a chicken free hand. The oven is preheated to 375. I'm going to just give this a little stir. I'm going to move the herbs, except for the parsley. Parsley will be everywhere, but move the rosemary, thyme, and then like garlic, stuff like that that comes off you can pull out. But move the garlic around so that it'll be around the chicken. And then the chicken just sits right on top of all of that. All right. This looks, smells amazing. Take this guy out. Very hot, this thing. Don't touch it. So I took some of the drippings from our pan that we roasted in and mixed it right here with 1.5 cups of just chicken bone broth and a squeeze of lime. Could be lemon as well, just whatever you use inside the cavity of the chicken. We're gonna bring this up to a simmer and we're going to reduce this by about 2/3. We wanna get it pretty concentrated. So this is a super simple dinner, but doesn't taste simple at all. The sauce on this also, I mean, it's just like a little bit tangy and sweet. I mean, it's perfect. So this chicken, anybody is gonna love it, whoever you serve it to. With the vegetables, they have taken on so much flavor from the chicken. The herbs, the whole herbs and everything like that, take that out, you know, and discard all those, the garlic, but leave the parsley in and, you know, just help yourself. We hope you enjoy it. Would love to know what you think. And there's a link to the full recipe as well as sources for some of the equipment that I've used down in the description. Thanks so much.